Project name is PR12. You can type any name. Okay. So just click on this arrow and change it to tablet. Okay. Next we want one horizontal arrangement. Width will be fill parent, and I will add one text box here to type item, and just click on this horizontal arrangement, align center. Okay, vertical center, align horizontal center. Okay, and just click on this text box, and width will be 70%. Okay, drag and drop one label to the top, and width will be fill parent, and erase all the text and type shopping list. Okay, and just enter. Oh, sorry, shopping list. Okay, and just you can see one text align. Just click on the arrow and change it to center, and the font size will be 20, and just enter. Okay. Oh no, that's not perfect. I think 30. Yeah, that's perfect. Next we want one more horizontal arrangement, and width will be fill parent. Okay, and add and we want to add 4 buttons. Just click on this horizontal arrangement, align horizontal center, align vertical also center, and just click on this button and change it to remove. Just click on this button and change it to clear. Just click on this button, text button 3, change it to add this button 4 will be voice, and just enter. Okay, just click on this button, and background color will be this. Copy the color code and paste it in the all button. Go to custom, erase the code and paste our custom, erase all the text and paste it. Okay, and you want to change the text color to white. Yeah, click on change the text color to white. Yeah, we have changed the old text color to white. You can select any color. Next, we want one list viewer. Drag and drop this list viewer from user interface, and its width will be fill parent and height will be fill parent. Just click on it. Height will be fill parent, width will be fill parent. Okay. And next we want one storage to store our list. So go to storage and drag and drop this teeny db, and go to medias, drag and drop this speech recognizer, and just off this use speech recognizer properties, just off this, and go to blocks. First we are going to design this add button. So we are going to change the text, rename add btn, and we are going to change the clear to clear btn. We are going to change the voice to voice btn. Button 1 remove btn, and okay. So we can identify the buttons. Go to blocks and go to add btn and drag and drop. When add btn dot click, and go to variables, drag and drop this in a slash global name. So go to list and drag and drop this create empty list to here. Name will be list, and enter. Okay. Okay, go to list and drag and drop add item to the list, and list will be get global list. Move this mouse pointer to the list and get this code to here. Next go to text box and drag and drop text box dot text, then go to text box 1 and drag and drop set text box 1 dot text, and go to text and drag and drop this text string. Next go to list viewer dot elements, yeah, and this drag and drop this get list. Next go to tinitb and drag and drop call tinitb dot store value. Tag will be go to text and drag and drop one string here and type list and enter. Okay. Store value to store will be this get global list. Just duplicate it and drag and drop it here. Okay. These are the code for our add button. So if we type an item and if we click on that, the item will be added to the list viewer. Okay, next we will code for clear button. Okay. Okay, go to clear btn and drag and drop when clear btn dot click. Okay, go to variables and drag and drop set this to, and just click on this arrow and click on this global list, and go to list and drag and drop create empty list, and go to next we want to go to list viewer, and we want to drag and drop set list viewer dot elements. That's all right, that's a mistake. Okay, elements, and move this mouse pointer to list and drag and drop this get global list. And next go to tinitb and drag and drop call tinitb dot store value, or just right click on it and duplicate and drag and drop it here. This is the code for our clear button. So if we click on the clear button, all the items in the list will be removed. Next, we want to code for remove button. So go to blocks and go to remove btn and drag and drop when remove btn dot clicks, and go to list and you can see this remove list item from list, and go to move this mouse pointer to the list and drag and drop this get global list. Go to list viewer, and you can see one list viewer dot selection index. Yeah, drag and drop it here, and you want to go to list viewer again and drag and drop set list viewer dot elements, and move this mouse pointer to list and drag and drop get global list. Next, just right click on the call tinitb to store value, right click on it, duplicate and drag and drop it here. These are the code for our remove app. Remove button. Next, we will code for the voice button. We have already added the speech recognizer to record our audio. So go to blocks and go to voice btn and drag and drop when voice btn dot clicks, and go to speech recognizer and drag and drop call speech recognizer 1 dot get text.